Are you tired of watching your money just sit there? Do you dream of financial freedom, of building a portfolio that will stand the test of time? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're diving deep into the stock market, uncovering 7 incredible companies poised for long-term growth. These are 7 best-performing stocks for long-term investment. We'll explore the exciting world of digital currencies with a company shaping the future of finance. Then, we'll journey into the world of cutting-edge medicine with a true innovator in healthcare. Get ready to discover a powerhouse in logistics, a bedrock of stability in the energy sector, and a tech titan that continues to redefine our digital lives. We'll even unlock the secrets of a telecommunications giant and a retail behemoth, both strategically positioned for sustained success. If you only watch one video today, make sure you watch this one, all the way till the end. Hit the like button, let's get 1,000 likes on this one, share the video, and leave your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe so you don't miss out on the next important financial investing update. Our first stop takes us to the forefront of the financial revolution, the world of cryptocurrency. Coinbase Global Inc., trading under the ticker symbol COIN, is a leading cryptocurrency exchange platform connecting millions of users with the exciting potential of digital assets. Imagine a world where traditional financial systems are being reshaped, where decentralized finance empowers individuals like never before. That's the wave Coinbase is riding on. With its user-friendly interface and commitment to security, Coinbase is making it easier than ever for investors to participate in this burgeoning market. But Coinbase is more than just an exchange. They're building a comprehensive ecosystem, offering services like Coinbase Wallet for secure storage and Coinbase Prime for institutional investors. This forward-thinking approach positions Coinbase as a key player in the long-term growth of the crypto space. As more and more people recognize the potential of cryptocurrencies, Coinbase stands to benefit immensely. Their commitment to innovation and expanding their offerings makes them a compelling investment opportunity for those seeking exposure to the future of finance. Financially, Coinbase boasts a market cap of $69.1 billion, an EPS of 6.43, and a PE ratio of 42.69. In 2023, they reported a revenue of $3.11 billion and a net income of $94.87 million. Now, some may say cryptocurrency is volatile, and they'd be right, but within that volatility lies tremendous opportunity. Think back to the early days of the internet. Those who recognized the potential early on were handsomely rewarded. Coinbase is at the forefront of a similar paradigm shift, and their strategic partnerships with major players like Visa and MasterCard are a testament to their growing influence. They're making cryptocurrency more accessible, more understandable, and more mainstream. But remember, every investment comes with risks. It's crucial to conduct your due diligence, understand the intricacies of the crypto market, and invest only what you can afford to lose. The future of finance is being written now, and Coinbase is holding the pen. Are you ready to be a part of it? Next, we'll shift gears and explore the world of life-saving innovations with a global healthcare leader. Before we do that, if you're looking for a tool to level up your investing game, Forecaster is my secret weapon. From analyzing trends to uncovering undervalued stocks, it does it all. Get started with a free trial using the link below, and don't forget to use my discount code Galore10 for 10% off. From the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, we now turn our attention to a company dedicated to improving the lives of millions around the globe, Novo Nordisk AS, trading under the ticker symbol NVO. Novo Nordisk is a global healthcare leader with a rich history spanning nearly a century. They are a pioneer in diabetes care, constantly pushing the boundaries of science to develop innovative treatments that empower patients to live fuller, healthier lives. Diabetes affects hundreds of millions worldwide, and Novo Nordisk is committed to meeting this growing need with cutting-edge therapies. But their expertise extends beyond diabetes. Novo Nordisk is also a leader in obesity treatment, hemophilia care, and growth hormone therapy, addressing some of the most pressing health challenges facing humanity. Their commitment to research and development is unwavering, with a significant portion of their revenue reinvested back into discovering new and better treatments. This dedication to scientific advancement has earned Novo Nordisk a reputation as a true innovator in the healthcare industry. Financially, Novo Nordisk boasts a market cap of $391.48 billion, an EPS of $22.67, and a PE ratio of 3.81. In 2024, they reported revenue of $290.4 billion and a net income of $100.99 billion, with a dividend yield of 1.67%. Novo Nordisk's flagship product, insulin, has been a cornerstone of diabetes care for decades, but they haven't rested on their laurels. They've continuously improved upon their insulin offerings, developing new formulations that are more effective, convenient, and patient-friendly. Beyond insulin, Novo Nordisk has a diverse portfolio of diabetes treatments, including GLP-1 receptor agonists, which help regulate blood sugar levels and promote weight loss. These innovative therapies are transforming the way diabetes is managed, offering patients greater control over their health. But Novo Nordisk's impact extends far beyond medications. They are deeply committed to patient education and support, providing resources and programs that empower individuals to take charge of their health. Their holistic approach to healthcare addresses not just the physical aspects of disease, but also the emotional and social well-being of patients. In the next chapter, we'll shift gears from healthcare to the world of logistics, exploring a company that's keeping the global supply chain moving. Now, let's talk about a company that's quietly become a giant, riding the wave of a trend that's reshaping our world e-commerce. I'm talking about Prologis Inc., PLD, the undisputed king of logistics real estate. You see, every time you click buy on Amazon, every time you order takeout on Uber Eats, there's a good chance Prologis is involved somewhere in the background. They own and operate a massive network of warehouses and distribution centers, the arteries of our modern economy. And here's the beauty of it. As e-commerce continues to explode, the demand for these logistic spaces is only going to skyrocket. More and more businesses need these strategic locations to store their goods and get them to consumers faster. Prologis is in the perfect position to capitalize on this trend. They're already the biggest player in the game, and they're only getting bigger. With a global footprint and a rock-solid business model, Prologis is a stock that could deliver long-term growth for your portfolio. Prologis Inc. has a market cap of $108.69 billion, an EPS of $3.32, and a PE ratio of 35.35. In 2023, they reported revenue of $8.02 billion and a net income of $3.06 billion. Plus, they offer a dividend yield of 3.27%. But it's not just about growth with Prologis. They're also committed to rewarding their shareholders with a steady stream of dividends. Now, they're not quite a dividend aristocrat yet, but they're well on their way. For years, Prologis has consistently paid out dividends and even increased them over time. That kind of reliability is like finding a golden nugget in the world of investing. It shows that the company is financially sound and confident in its future prospects. And let's be honest. Who doesn't love a little extra cash in their pocket? Dividends can provide a nice passive income stream and help you build wealth over the long haul. So, if you're looking for a company with a strong track record, a bright future, and a commitment to rewarding investors, Prologis Inc. deserves a serious look. Now let's shift gears and talk about a company that's all about stability and dependability. I'm talking about Southern Company ticker, SO, a utility giant that's been powering homes and businesses for over a century. When you flick on your lights, turn on your AC, or charge your phone, chances are you have a company like Southern Company to thank for it. They provide an essential service that we all rely on, day in and day out. And that's what makes Southern Company such an intriguing investment. No matter what's happening in the broader economy, people still need power. That gives Southern Company a level of resilience that's hard to find in other industries. They're like the steady eddy of the stock market, providing consistent performance year after year. And in today's uncertain world, that kind of stability can be worth its weight in gold. Southern Company boasts a market cap of $92.67 billion, an EPS of 4.31, a PE ratio of 19.62, revenue of $25.25 billion in 2023, net income of $3.98 billion, and a dividend yield of 3.38%. But here's the real kicker with Southern Company. They're a dividend-paying machine. I'm talking decades of consistent dividend payments with a history of increases that'll make your head spin. Remember what we said about dividend aristocrats? Well, Southern Company is practically royalty in that regard. They've been increasing their dividend for over 20 consecutive years. That's the kind of track record that income investors dream about. And when you combine that dividend history with their rock-solid business model, you start to see why Southern Company is considered a classic defensive stock. It's the kind of investment you can rely on, even when the market is throwing a tantrum. So if you're looking for a company with a long history of success, a stable business, and a commitment to paying out generous dividends, Southern Company, SO, should definitely be on your radar. Alright folks, let's talk about a company that needs no introduction. Apple Inc., ticker symbol, AAPL. The tech titan that's become synonymous with innovation, sleek design, and a loyal customer base that borders on fanaticism. Now I know what you're thinking. Apple? Isn't that stock already too expensive? And it's true, Apple's share price has been on a tear for years. But here's the thing. Apple is more than just iPhones. They've built an entire ecosystem of products and services that have become deeply integrated into our daily lives. From Macs to iPads, AirPods to Apple Watch, Apple has a knack for creating products that people simply can't live without. And let's not forget about their services business, which is growing at an incredible pace. Apple Music, Apple Pay, iCloud, these services generate billions in recurring revenue and lock customers into the Apple ecosystem. Let's talk numbers. Apple has a market cap of $3.41 trillion, an EPS of $6.31, and a PE ratio of 36.07. In 2024, they reported a revenue of $391.04 billion and a net income of $93.74 billion. Plus, they offer a dividend yield of 0.43%. But what really sets Apple apart is their relentless focus on innovation. They're constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible, whether it's with their groundbreaking M1 chips, their stunning Retina displays, or their foray into augmented reality. Apple understands that to stay ahead in the tech world, you can't rest on your laurels. You need to be constantly evolving, constantly inventing, constantly surprising your customers, and that's exactly what Apple does best. They have a knack for anticipating what consumers want before they even know they want it. And with their massive cash reserves and their army of brilliant engineers, Apple is well positioned to continue leading the tech revolution for years to come. So if you're looking for a company that's synonymous with innovation, brand loyalty, and long-term growth potential, Apple remains a compelling investment opportunity. All right, investors, let's talk about a company that's as American as apple pie and baseball. AT&T, ticker symbol T. You know them, you've probably used their services, and now you can potentially profit from their success. AT&T is a telecommunications giant, with its fingers in everything from wireless phone plans to broadband internet to entertainment through Warner Bros. Discovery. Talk about a diverse portfolio. We're talking about a company that connects millions of people and businesses across America. They're the backbone of how we communicate, how we consume entertainment, and how we stay connected in this digital age. And let me tell you, that's a powerful position to be in. But what makes AT&T a compelling investment for long-term growth? Well, first and foremost, they're a dividend aristocrat. Now, for those of you who are new to the game, that means they've consistently increased their dividend payouts for at least 25 consecutive years. That's right, 25 years of putting cash back in their investors' pockets. That tells you something about their commitment to shareholder value and their ability to generate consistent cash flow. And speaking of cash flow, AT&T generates a ton of it, with a market cap of $176.15 billion, an EPS of $1.23, and a PE ratio of 19.97. AT&T is financially robust. In 2023, they reported revenue of $122.43 billion and a net income of $14.4 billion, with a dividend yield of 4.52%. Now, some folks might look at AT&T and think, well, they're already so big, how much more can they really grow? And that's a fair point. But here's the thing, AT&T is not just sitting on their laurels. They're actively adapting to the changing market, focusing on key growth areas like 5G and fiber optics, which are essential for the future of connectivity. They're also streamlining their business, divesting non-core assets to focus on their core strengths. They recently spun off Warner Bros. Discovery, which allows them to focus more on their telecommunications business and reduce their debt load. This strategic repositioning shows that AT&T is not just a lumbering giant, but a company willing to evolve and adapt to stay ahead of the game. Plus, with the rollout of 5G still in its early innings, AT&T is well positioned to capitalize on the increasing demand for faster and more reliable mobile data. So, if you're looking for a stock that offers a stable dividend, a history of solid performance, and the potential for continued growth in a rapidly expanding market, AT&T deserves a spot on your watch list. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint, and AT&T has the track record and the strategy to deliver long-term value to its investors. Let's talk about a company that needs no introduction, Walmart, ticker symbol WMT. This retail giant is a household name, a staple in communities across America and beyond. We're talking about a company that practically invented the concept of everyday low prices. But don't let their size fool you. Walmart is not just resting on its laurels. They're constantly innovating, evolving, and adapting to meet the ever-changing demands of consumers. And that's what makes them a compelling investment for the long haul. One of Walmart's biggest strengths is its massive scale. We're talking about a global network of stores, distribution centers, and a supply chain that's second to none. This massive infrastructure allows them to negotiate favorable prices from suppliers, passing those savings on to customers, and maintaining their competitive edge. But it's not just about brick and mortar anymore. Walmart has fully embraced the digital age, investing heavily in their e-commerce platform and logistics network. They're taking on Amazon head-on, and frankly, they're doing a darn good job. Financially, Walmart is impressive. They have a market cap of $812.9 billion, an EPS of 2.44, and a PE ratio of 41.45. In 2024, they reported revenue of $648.13 billion, and a net income of $15.51 billion. Plus, they offer a dividend yield of 0.82%, making them a solid choice for long-term growth. Walmart's e-commerce growth has been nothing short of impressive. They've seamlessly integrated their online and offline shopping experiences, offering customers convenient options like curbside pickup and home delivery. This omni-channel approach is a game-changer, allowing them to reach customers however and whenever they prefer to shop. And let's not forget about Walmart's commitment to innovation. They're investing heavily in cutting-edge technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and automation to further enhance their operations and improve the customer experience. From personalized shopping recommendations to cashierless checkout, Walmart is at the forefront of retail innovation. But here's the kicker, they're also making significant strides in sustainability. They've set ambitious goals to reduce their carbon footprint, minimize waste, and promote responsible sourcing. They understand that consumers are increasingly concerned about the environment, and they're taking concrete steps to address these concerns. So, when you invest in Walmart, you're not just investing in a retail giant, you're investing in a company that's constantly adapting, innovating, and positioning itself for long-term success in the ever-evolving world of retail. They're a true American icon, and their future remains bright. Well folks, there you have it. 7 incredible companies with the potential for long-term growth. Remember, these are just a few ideas to get your research started. Always do your due diligence, consider your own investment goals and risk tolerance, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. If you want to find high-value stocks like the ones I share, check out Forecaster. It's the tool I use, and you can get a free trial with my code Galore10. The link's in the description. Now if you want exclusive stock tips, in-depth analysis, real-time trade alerts, and free investing guides, join the Stocks Galore Patreon today and take your investing game to the next level. Our members there get full, in-depth analysis on most of these stocks I mention here. Head over to patreon.com/stocksgalore and become part of our growing community of smart investors. Link is in the description. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, share your thoughts in the comments below, I love hearing from you guys, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome investing content. Until next time, remember the best investment you can make is in yourself.